Are you struggling to keep up with posting consistently on social media? Meet iSocialPoster, your ultimate social media scheduling tool. Designed for growth, iSocialPoster supports platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Imagine effortlessly scheduling posts, tweets, threads, images, and even carousels in advance. With iSocialPoster, save time by automating your social media strategy. Harness the power of AI to create engaging SEO-optimized content. Enjoy perfectly tailored hashtags and emojis to boost your online visibility. Whether you're a beginner or a social media pro, iSocialPoster is crafted just for you. Forget the hassle of manual scheduling. Embrace simplicity and efficiency. Want to build an online reputation that stands out? Increase followers effortlessly with the aid of AI-driven insights. iSocialPoster empowers individuals and brands to achieve social media success. Experience the seamless integration with multiple platforms for diversified reach. Our tools adapt to your needs, ensuring every post hits the mark. Developed by McRaeSoft AI Solutions, trust in a name known for innovation. New to iSocialPoster? Start with our 7-day free trial risk-free. Discover firsthand how this tool simplifies your social media marketing. It's time to evolve beyond manual social media efforts. Take the first step towards transforming your social media presence. Visit our website and sign up for your free trial today.